This 2014 Itasca Navion 24M is a Class C RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2014 Itasca Navion 24M is built on a Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.